by uh, tracing paper, tracing and by divider and ruler. આપણે એક્સરસાઇઝ 5.1 કરી એમાં આપણે આ વસ્તુ આપણે આન્સર્સ દીધા તમને ધ્યાન હોય તો exercise 5.1 ma by divider and ruler we it is more easier than observation and tracing paper. Am I right? Now what do you mean by line segment? Line segment is the line between two dots. Am I correct? The line which is prepared between two dots, this is known as line segment. Line segment is always with an actual measurement. For example, if this is of 5 centimeter, the line segment is always with the actual measurement. Okay? What do you mean by line? Line has always and arrows. As a dot છે ને એની જગ્યા શું આવે? Arrows આવે. Why it is arrows? Because it can be extended from both the ends. It can be extended from both the ends. So this is known as line. Understood? And line segment has two end points. Line segment has two end points. Now, what do we have to study here? Line segment, we have to check out how to measure whether these two line segments are correct. ઉપર નીચેની બે સરખી છે કે નથી. So first thing we can observe by looking at this, we can observe that this one is greater as compared to the second one. Am I right? Yes or no, boys? One is, can you hear me, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By observation, we can say by observation was the first part, how we can recognize which line segment is greater and which one is smaller. Okay. Now, second is by tracing paper. By tracing means what? There is a tracing paper available. The tracing paper મૂકીએ તો એના ઉપર આ લાઈન એવી ને એવી ડ્રો થાય અને એવી ને એવી બીજી ડ્રોમાં આપણે મેઝર થાય. એનો પોઈન્ટ અહીંયા આવતો હોય તો સેકન્ડ વન મસ્ટ બી સ્મોલર. એનો પોઈન્ટ જો માઇટ બી આઉટ ઓફ ધ લાઈન આવતો હોય તો second line is greater than the first line. So we can compare like that way. Are you getting? So by tracing we can compare. And the third we can compare is divider and ruler. Do you know what is divider? I explained you while doing exercise 5.1. Divider means there is two end points. આપણે રાઉન્ડર છે ખબર છે, પેન્સિલનો નીપ આવે ને એક અણીવાળી વસ્તુ આવે. Rounder, what we say in the compass. Muhammad Fazil?
Yes, sir. Parikar.
Yes, in Gujarati we can say parikar. Along with that, there is another instrument given which is to sharpen end, and it is same as rounder, like this. So we can open that both the points and we can measure it with the help of scale. You will get accurate measurement of the line segment. Is that clear? Do you have any doubt about these three topics? First two, we do not have to just concentrate much. Only this we have to learn, that divider and ruler is the most important to measure the line segments. Okay, boys? Second topic is angles. Now we have to learn about angles. What do you mean by angles? Can anyone tell me? How many types of angles are there? First, I'll teach you three types of angles. Right angles,
Triangle.
straight angle, and complete angle. What do you mean by right angle? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by right angle?
90 degree.
Very good, beta. The angle which is forming, angle which is forming 90 degree is known as right angle. What does it known as? Right angle. Then who will tell me what do you mean by straight angle?
180 degree.
Very good, boy. You are absolutely right, beta. 180 degree. the angle which is forming whole angle that is known as a straight line angle, or we can say 180-degree angle. Okay?
Yes.
Then what do you mean by complete angle?
360 degree.
Very good. Again, I'll go with the same line, and the angle which is formed from here to whole circle is known as 360 degree. આખો એક complete angle કહેવાય. 360 degree means it is complete angle. Understood, boys? Anybody has any doubt with this? See, 90 degree can be in any form. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે આ side પણ 90 degree થતું હોય. This is also known as 90 degree. Are you getting? The 90 degree can be in this direction also. This is also known as 90 degree. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે 90 degree મોહમ્મદ સરે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ થી લીધું છે, that means that only is 90 degree. No, angle can be in any form. Even this is known as 90 degree. This way also it may be 90 degree. Are you getting? Are you getting my point? Boys, are you all getting the points?
Yes.
180 degree also, the straight angle must be anywhere, anything. It may be like this also. This is also known as straight angle. આવી રીતે અલગ-અલગ directionમાં angle આપેલા હોય. We have to just find out whether what kind of an angle is this. Are you getting? 180 degree. Again, this we can say like this also, it may be like this. We can say from here to here, starting from here to here, this angle, even this is known as 180 degree. And one complete angle can be in any direction, but it is totally one complete circle which stands for 360. Understood, boys? Anybody has any doubt regarding these three angles?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now forget about these three angles. Again, I will be reconfirming these three angles ahead, but before that we will study angles revolution. Revolution. What do you mean by word revolution? One revolution stands for what? One revolution means what? Ek akhu circle, which stands for 360 degree. How much? How much, boys? One angle of whole circle. If I say I will go with clockwise, we will start with clockwise. Okay? આપણે બે વસ્તુથી શીખવાનું છે, clockwise and direction wise. Okay? So first we will start with clockwise. If I say this is 12 here, 6, okay, 3 and 9. So can I write here 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Am I correct, boys?
Yes.
Okay. Now if I say that there is one hand on at 12 o'clock and another hand is on 3 o'clock. So what kind of angle is forming here? What kind of an angle is forming here?
Right angle.
Right angle. How you are managing this, that this is a right angle? See, first of all, I want to tell you the whole circle belongs to how many degree?
300 degree.
Huh?
360 degree.
360 degree.
360 degree, which is known as one revolution. Understood? Now see the gap between, if we divide 360 divided by 12, there are 12 parts in the clock. So each part will cover how many degree? 30 degree. 1 to 2, 30. 2 to 3, 30. So each difference of each digit is of 30 degree. So if you calculate from 12 to 3, it is covering 90 degree. Understood? Samajh pada cha? Now,
Yes.
this you are saying 90 degrees. So how much is the revolution for 90 degree? So if you divide 90 divide by 360. 91s are 90, 94s are 360. So 1/4 is the revolution of the clock hands. What is the revolution? 1/4. સમજ પડી કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
કેવી રીતે 1/4? હવે 1 સર્કલના 4 ભાગ થયા છે. Can we say like that? 6 થી લઈને 3 સુધી. Can I say like this? That એક જ ક્લોકમાં 4 ભાગ થયા છે. Are you getting? So each
Yes,
must
sir.
be of 90 degree. Each must be of 90 degree. So total paths will be 4 paths હતા. એમાંથી એક પાર્ટ 90 degree આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કર્યો છે. તો revolution is 1/4. Are you getting how to go through with the revolution of the angles through clockwise? If I say, ચલો આ બધું જવા દો. If I say half of the revolution, that was 1/4, half of the revolution. So can I go through from 12 itself towards 6?
degree.
Can I go up till 6?
Yes.
And I will remove this part from here. This 90 degree will be removed. I will remove this part. So can I say now that this is covering one complete circle?
Yes.
I'm sorry, the half straight line of a circle.
Yes, 180 degree.
Can I say from here I can cover this
Yes.
180 degree?
Yes.
So how
sir.
you got 180 degree? 30
One
plus
to
30
60.
plus 30, 90, 30 plus 30 plus 30, another 90. So 90 plus 90, there will be two right angles. See here, check here. From here to here is one right angle and here to here is another right angle. So if you get two 90 degrees, you are completing with half of it. So 180 degree. And complete revolution is what? 360 degree. So 181s are 180, 182s are 360. So you got half of the revolution. આખા સર્કલ નું હાફ પાર્ટ કવર કરી નાખ્યું તમે કે નહીં?
Ha, sir.
Are you getting the content? Anybody has any doubt with this? This revolution criteria must be not in exam in FA4, okay? It must be in SA2. So revolution is not the important content at the present moment. Is that all clear, boys? Are you clear with the clock?
Yes.
So I will teach you angles revolution through direction wise. We will study about direction wise. North, east, north, south, east, and west. Everybody knows there are 4 directions at the present moment, which is through what we can calculate the revolution. Again, if I start walking from the north side and I will go with clockwise, so clock will be from right hand side only. How much clock for a? Yes or no? And anti-clockwise એટલે clock થી ઊંધું ફરે. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Ha, sir.
Clockwise means clock na direction માં ફરે. Anti-clockwise means opposite side direction માં ફરે. But ફરવાનું છે તો circle જ તે. Are you getting my point? So now
Yes.
if I am at north side, I want to go towards east through clockwise. So clockwise આવી રીતે જાય. And if I say that I am standing at north and I want to go to south direction, anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise will be towards another side. So anti-clockwise pela west જશે ને west થી south જશે. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે શું કર્યું સર? So every direction between the gap will be of 90 degree. You can check out. You will get this. There will be 4 directions, so 4 equal direction will be of 90 degree. Am I correct or wrong?
Sir, correct.
Yes, sir.
So it is the same as clockwise. Clock માં તો શું હતા? 12 parts હતા. 1 થી લઈને 12 સુધી નતા parts?
Yes.
બરાબર કે નહીં? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes on up to 12. Am I correct? આમાં તો કેટલા પાર્ટ છે ખાલી?
4.
4. So we know that each part will be of 90 degree. ઓલામાં ક્લોકમાં કેટલા હતા? Each part 30 degree હતા. Why? Because if you calculate 360 divide by 12 parts, you will get 30 degree for in between each part. Now if you calculate 360 degree divide by 4 parts, okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 9 zeros are, so the direction will be of 90 degree each part. આ એક part કેટલા નો થયો? 90 degree નો થયો. Are you getting or not? Because
Yes.
direction has how many parts? 4 parts. Am I clear? Now if I say that Muhammad Fazil will go from north to south, so if he goes from north to south, can I say that he will move from north to east first and then east to south he will cover? Are you getting? So if you calculate from north to south, are you covering 180 degree angle?
Yes, sir.
That's it. That is our part to understand. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt, no question.
If I say that Zohar Abbas want to move from south to west, so south is the main direction. From south to west, if he is moving, so it will go from south to west towards clockwise.
90 degree, yes.
90 degree, very good. So you got the content. Now what is the revolution that he moved? If somebody asks you in the question that what is the revolution that he moves, so 90 degree is the degree what he moved, yes or no?
Yes.
90 degree was the angle what he moved. Divide by total is what? 360 degree. So 91s are 90, 94s are 360. So he moved 1/4 part. What he moved? And what he moved, Muhammad Fazil, what? Muhammad Fazil moved 180 degree. So divide by revolution is 360 degree. So 1s are and 2s are. So he moved half part. What he moved?
Half part.
Understood the content? Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No
Very
doubt.
good. Chalo. Now again, the content is on angles only. Now most important part what we have to study is, I already taught you how many types of angles. Who will tell me?
Sir, right angle.
Okay, chalo હું લખું છું, તું બોલી લખું છું. Right angle.
Straight
Then?
angle.
Very good. Straight angle. Then
Full angle.
Full angle.
complete angle. શું કહેવાનું? Full angle નહીં, complete angle બચ્ચા પાટી. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Chalo. Complete angle. So right angle, we know that right angle શું હતું? તો કે સરે શીખવાડ્યું છે હો ભાઈ કે the angle which is forming 90 degree is known as right angle. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
સરે શીખવાડેલું છે કે the angle which is forming straight line and half circle, that is known as straight angle. Am I right?
Complete angle.
Complete angle માં straight line and which is covering the full circle,
Full circles.
not half circles, starting from the point and ending to the point is known as complete angle. So
Complete.
can we say that this is of 90 degree? Right angle is 90 degree.
Yes, 180 and 360.
And
360.
And 360.
very good boy, very good. Come on. Now what angles we have to study? Can anyone tell me? ચલો આ તો આવડી ગયું તમને. હવે શું શીખવાનું છે? Come on boys.
Sir, તમે કેમ?
Acute angle
Very good. Acute angle.
and
Then
obtuse.
obtuse angle. Very good boy. Chalo, go ahead. And
Reflex angle.
સમજ પડી ગઈ શું કરવાનું છે કે નહીં? Who gave me this answer?
Zaki.
Mohammad Zaki Wakil. Very good, bachcha. You are absolutely right. Chalo, acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. Am I correct? Now, what do you mean by acute angle? Can I say that it's the part we can copy 90-degree first? And I will remove 90-degree from here. We know that 90-degree is this. Okay. But acute
Yes.
angle means what? Not 90-degree. The angle which is less than 90-degree. It may be between 89-degree from 0-degree to 89-degree. Understood?
Yes.
0-degree થી
Yes.
ચાલુ થાય 89-degree સુધી. This is 90-degree, but 89-degree. We can say that the angle which is forming in between 0 to 9 are known as acute angles. What does it
Acute
mean
angle.
as acute angle? समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Obtuse angle more than less than 180 and more than 90.
Okay, again, I'm moving with the same part what we have. Okay, I'm just deleting this 90-degree. Now, what do you mean by obtuse angle? You know
Less
that this is
180.
90-degree. This is 90-degree. Okay, you know that. But acute angle was in between the angles. In between the angles, એટલે વચ્ચેના angles like this. Whatever angle forming, that angle in a semicircle is known as what? Acute angle. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
But in obtuse angle, if we take this is the another line, a straight line. So આખું angle તો આપણે ખબર છે straight angle is 180-degree. So the angle which is above 90-degree, એટલે 90 point something હોય ને 91 હોય તો પણ તે above 90-degree. All the angles are known as what? Above 90-degree up to 180-degree, all the angles are known as obtuse angle. Understood or not?
Yes.
The reflex angle more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree.
Very good, bacha. It is more than 180-degree
And less than 360.
360-degree. Very good. If, for example, this is the angle we are setting right here. Okay. Chalo, I am removing this 90-degree from here. So what do you mean by reflex angle? We know that this angle is 90-degree, but we do not have to cover that. We have to cover reflex angle. So it will be started from here. This one semicircle is there. So I 180-degree cover करे छे? Yes or no? This is covering 180, but
Yes.
reflex angle is always more than 180 and less than 360. So this whole part which is followed is known as reflex angle. Understood? समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
પડે છે.
पड़ी गई समझ for sure?
હા.
So acute angle is what? We will write now. Acute angle is, we can say, less than
Less than 90 degree.
90-degree. Are you getting? That
Yes.
is known as acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90-degree. Am I right? What do you mean by obtuse angle?
Less than
Obtuse
180
angle,
degree and more than 90.
more than 90-degree and less than 180-degree. Very good. Less than 90-degree and more than 180-degree. That is known as obtuse angle. Sir, M came, sir. Sir, 180-degree karta less than came. Why? Because 180 do we have as an another angle, which is
Right
straight
angle.
angle. Understood or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In
Okay.
reflex angle,
And in reflex angle, it will be more than
180.
180-degree. Sorry. And
Less than
Then 360 degree.
360 degree, very good. Which is more than 180 degree and less than 360. समझाणु क्या नहीं boys?
हाँ
Yes, sir. Thank you.
समझे क्यों ना? So this angle which is formed as reflex angle is known as more than 180. 180 करता always વધારે હોય, but આખો complete circle ન થાય. Why? Because complete circle is 360. 359.9 સુધી આવી શકે, but 360 ન થઈ શકે. Are you getting? Why? Because 360 we have as our complete angle. So total how many angles have we studied? કેટલા એંગલ સ્ટડી કર્યા? રાઈટ એંગલ, સ્ટ્રેટ એંગલ, કમ્પ્લીટ એંગલ, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. Well, numbers આપી દો. First angle is acute angle. Second angle is right angle. Third angle is obtuse angle. Fourth angle is straight angle. Fifth angle is reflex angle. And sixth angle is complete angle. समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं? 90 थी नानू, then 90 थी मोटू, 180 थी मोटू, and 360. Is that clear, boys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Well, our angle sector is over. Now we are moving to our new topic named perpendicular. Okay?
Huh?
Hello?
Rotely.
Hey! Mic mute કરીને વાત કર. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by perpendicular?
Two lines doesn't intersect each other. Two lines.
Two line intersect each other. Intersect each other તો intersect તો આમ પણ થઈ શકે. આમ પણ થઈ શકે. Sorry?
In right angle.
Very good. Perpendicular means a line which is intersecting to each other. The baseline, for example, baseline is this. Okay. And the line which is forming another line and which is creating 90-degree angle on both the sides, this line is known as perpendicular. Understood? Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
It is not compulsory that this may be only baseline. Baseline must be this also, like this. And the another line must be forming from here to here also, like this. So even this is a perpendicular line. समझ पड़े छे कि नहीं?
हाँ पड़े छे.
If this is, for example, line L and this is line M, so line M is perpendicular to line L. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So my point is, our topic is perpendicular line. What is our topic? Perpendicular line. समझाई छे? પેલા word perpendicular સમજાવ્યો. Now I explain you perpendicular line. What do you mean by perpendicular lines? A line which is forming 90 degree to the other line. Understood? समझ पड़े छे? For example, again in the same diagram, if point A and point B is right here, so can I say AB is the line segment AB, and if it is P and Q over here, so can I say line AB in mathematical language, line segment PQ, I'm so sorry, PQ is perpendicular to line segment AB. समझ पड़ी कि नहीं? ऊंधो capital T is the symbol of perpendicular lines. समझाणु? What is the symbol of perpendicular line? Undo capital T. Understood? So in mathematical form, if we want to describe that line segment PQ is perpendicular to line segment AB. AB upar perpendicular થાય છે, PQ જો તમે. So how do we write in mathematical form? Line segment PQ is perpendicular to line segment AB. समझ पड़े છે કે नहीं?
પડે છે.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, this was perpendicular line. Now, I want to know who will tell me what do you mean by perpendicular bisector? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by perpendicular bisector? Is the same as it is. Perpendicular line can be in any form, but perpendicular bisector means which is equally placed in the baseline. For example, this P and Q. If I remove from here, if this baseline is of, for example, 6 centimeter, okay. So perpendicular bisector will be always in the middle of the line segment. The P and Q will be exactly to the middle of the line segment. So P and Q, where AQ will be equal to QB. Are you getting? And line segment AB will be equally divided into two parts. This is what known as, this line is known as perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular line to kehvaya te, but perpendicular bisector means what? The line which is perpendicularly bisect line segment AB, means line segment AB is divided into two equal parts, where we can say AQ is equal to QB. समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं? This line is known as perpendicular line तो कहेवाय જ છે, but it is known as perpendicular bisector. समझाय છે? This line is not perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular line, but we cannot say perpendicular bisector on line L. Are you getting? It has to be from here. अगर perpendicular bisector करવું છે આને તો line, it should be over here. Then it is said to be perpendicular bisector. સમજાય છે?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Perpendicular bisector means it should be compulsory in a half portion, covering and intersecting in exact in the middle of the baseline. That is known as perpendicular bisector. Even perpendicular line form a 90 degree. Perpendicular bisector also form 90 degree only. એમાં કોઈ difference નથી. ખાલી direction. This is known as perpendicular line. This is known as perpendicular line. This is known as perpendicular. This is known as perpendicular line. But this cannot be said to be bisectors. સમજાય છે?
Bisector will in the
Bisector
center.
means perpendicular line only, but it is always in the center of a baseline. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Thank you. Chalo, next topic. આની બહારનું કાંઈ છે જ નહીં, હો? Not a single sum. Our next topic is triangles. How many types of triangles are there? Who will tell me?
Three equilateral triangles.
Triangles are based on angles, and triangles are based on side. There are two parts of triangles according to me.
Yes.
So now who will tell?
Equilateral triangle,
Equilateral triangle.
isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle.
That is for what? Angles or sides?
Sides.
Very good, beta. It is for sides. Sides માં triangles કેટલા છે? તો કે scalene triangle, then isosceles triangle, and last one is Equilateral triangle.
Sir, and in angles,
Very good.
acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle.
Very good, bacha. Acute angle triangle. તમને તો આવડે છે સરનો તો ખોટો આ સબ્જેક્ટ લીધો શું યાર આ ચેપ્ટર obtuse angle triangle and the last angle is right angle triangle. Your angles criteria is over, your triangle is very much cleared in હજી મેં explain નથી કર્યું તોય તમને આવડે છે બેટા. Very good. So you can easily get this. હવે પેલા acute સમજાવી દઉં. Acute means what? All three angles of a triangle are of less than 90 degree. If you check out this angle, if you check out this angle, and if you check out this angle, all the angles will be less than 90 degree. Yes? So if you have less than 90 degree angle, this triangle is known as acute angle triangle. What does the triangle known as?
Acute
Are you
angle triangle.
Very good. Acute angle triangle kehvay. Okay. What do you mean by obtuse angle triangle? Any angle out of three angles. जो आ बे angle तमे जोजो. In this, if you calculate,
I know, sir. I can say.
if you calculate, this angle will be less than 90 degree. This angle will also less than 90 degree. But out of these three, any one angle will be more than 90 degree. સમજાય છે?
Less than
ત્રણમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક એંગલ 90 ડિગ્રી કરતા મોટું હોય, that angle is known as what? Obtuse angle triangle. What does that angle means? Obtuse angle triangle. Understood? And right angle?
Yes. Sir, and the
Any
the
of one
have
angle
one-
must be
Yes, any of one have 90 degree.
very good. That angle triangle is known as right angle triangle. It may be any one. એવું જરૂરી નથી આમ જ triangle આમ પણ હોઈ શકે. Over here also it may be formed 90 degree. Then also it is known as right angle triangle. Understood? Anybody has any doubt about this triangles on the basis of angles?
No, sir.
Very good. Chalo. Now triangles on the basis of sides. Triangles on the basis of sides. Okay. What does this triangles mean? If this is of 6 centimeter,
All side equal.
all sides equal, no thigh.
Equilateral
This-
triangle.
If okay, chalo, I know example of I am drawing right now, right here. Now, what does this triangle belongs? Sorry. Chalo. Then, if this is of 3 centimeter, if this is of 4 centimeter, and this is of 8 centimeter, chalo. Then, all three sides are equal.
Scalene.
All these three sides are unequal. What does it? 3, 4, and 8. This is about side. This side is 8 centimeter. This side is 3 and 4. So this is covering a scalene triangle. Understood? Then isosceles. If, for example, like this, these two are of 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And this one is different, 3 centimeters. So two sides are equal in this isosceles. And the third triangle is
All sides equal.
all sides are equal. If, for example, this one is of 3 centimeter, this one is also 3 centimeter, and this one is also 3 centimeter. So all the sides are equal. So it is known as equilateral triangle. And one and the most important thing in equilateral triangle, if the sides are equal, their angles will also be equal. All three angles will be equal. And that will be of only 60 degree each. So kam? Keમ કે sum of all the three angles should be 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Equal angle હોય તો 60 degree નો એક angle થશે ને? Understood, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Chalo, I'm saving these informations. We studied about triangle in this lecture. In our next lecture, we will complete our portion also. Huh? We will complete
Okay.
our exercise also and portion also. Okay? Is that clear, boys?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Have a nice time, boys. Bye-bye.
Sir, bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, કયું ચેપ્ટર